Parcel2Go honest review. App: the pros, the cons. If you've ever needed to send a parcel quickly and affordably, the Parcel2Go app promises to make the process simple, but is it really that seamless? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking shipping apps are only for big businesses. Parcel2Go allows anyone to compare courier services, book shipments, and track parcels directly from their phone. For example, a small business owner can instantly see pricing options from Royal Mail, Deal, and Hermes, all in one place, helping them choose the best combination of speed and cost. The app also provides transparent pricing. Each courier is displayed with rates, estimated delivery times, and extra services like insurance or signature on delivery. You can complete payments securely through the app, eliminating the need to handle cash or visit a store. Another advantage is tracking. Once your parcel is on the way, real-time updates help you monitor progress and avoid missed deliveries. Notifications alert you to any issues or delays, which is a lifesaver if you're shipping time-sensitive items. However, there are cons. Some users report that customer support can be slow when issues arise, and because Parcel2Go acts as a broker, the company isn't directly responsible for courier mistakes. Delivery speeds can also vary depending on the chosen courier, so careful selection is important. In conclusion, the Parcel2Go app is ideal for individuals and small businesses who want flexibility, price comparisons, and tracking in one platform. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines the shipping process, it doesn't fully replace the need to read courier terms and ensure proper packaging. If you want to save time and easily manage shipments from your phone, Parcel2Go is a solid tool, but always double-check your courier choice and shipment details for peace of mind.